woke up today, my life's changed. Suddenly nothing is missing. I just can't explain a sun shower.
Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world, like I'm the only one that you'll ever love.
Life passes by, it's hard to...
Barbadian music is, once you're Barbadian, you're singing, it's Barbadian music. You were born here, you were bred here, so no matter what you do and what you sing, you will still hear the Barbadian influence coming out.
The music in Barbados is a little different. We have a lot of local artists singing so many different genres of music.
This song is called How I Feel. This original song was written by myself. Away from you, but I still think of you, the way you are, and falling deep in your arms. Sunlight smile, it lights 1,000 miles. A joy so free, and to tell her every day how I feel.
Da da dee da da dum, oh da da dee da da dum, hey hey da da dee da da dum, oh
Saturday, same routine. Don't know what to say. Concrete holding me down, and I'm feeling wrong for this and wrong for that, because I'm living in love. Yeah, I'm learning to trust. I like that, I like that, I like that. We go with that.
Barbadian music is the future. It is the redemption of everything.
My music style would be more of a classical twist to a Caribbean sound.
My style can be considered soul, R&B, ethnic, urban, just real to who I am as a human being.
Oh, 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 oh. It's like a new idea.